Namaste, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to learn how we can insert the table in MS Word. So, first of all, we will click on the Start button. We will write here Word, press the Enter key, then blank document. Now, you can see this is a blank document. Now, at the top, you will get a ribbon is generally divided into two parts, tabs and groups. So you can see there are so many tabs, home tab, insert tab. So we will click on the insert tab. Inside the insert tab you can see there are so many groups also, pages, tables, illustrations. So we will click on the tables because we require table. Now when I will, there are so many ways to insert the table. You can see here insert table, draw table, quick table, or you can take the table directly from here, create table. So as at the top you can see here 2 into 2, it means 2 row 2 column. 2 into 3, it means 3 2 column 3 row. So first column will appear, then row will appear. So we want, now I am choosing the insert table from here. So first of all I will see we need to make this thing, this table we need to make. So how we will make this table? You can count. Here are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 column I require, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 row I have required. So I will write 7 column. I will enter 9 row. Number of rows are 9. Now you can see at the top you will found this plus sign. It is a table move handler. So if you will press here and you can take your table anywhere where you want. See, this is a table move handler. And if I will click on this square box at the bottom right corner, so it is a table resize handler. So I can resize my table whatever I have required size. Now first of all I will observe what else I require. So I want a single cell at the top. In a first row I want a single cell. So how I will bring my first row as a single cell? Let me show you. I will select all the cell from the first row, right click over here, merge cell. Merge means आप जोड़ रहे हैं उनको, इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं, एक साथ बना रहे हैं. तो I will click here. Now you can see it become into a single cell. Now I need to write progress report. For this I want it on in the center, so I will select it. I will press center alignment. I will increase the size. Now in here progress report is written in a all letter in a capital. So I will change case. I will click here upper capital. Now you can see my all letter becomes to the capital. Now first column is roll number, name, computer, roll number. Now I want to go to the next cell. I will press the tab key. Name, computer, maths, Hindi, English, total. So I will insert the now you can observe I have insert all the data. Now what else I want to do? Now बच्चों अब मुझे इसमें इनका फर्स्ट जो मानस नंदा है उसका टोटल शो करना है. So I will click on the layout tab. First I will bring my cursor on this cell because I require total on this cell. Place the now I will click on the layout tab. Inside the layout tab there is a data group. I will click on the data group. I will press OK. Now you observe the total is appear here. Same I will click here, formula, OK, total. Now I will click here, formula, total. So I can apply the total like this way. Now I want to show you the formatting, how we can change the formatting. For the formatting, I will go to the design tab. Inside the design tab, there is a shading option. So first I will select this. I will go to the shading. I will choose any shading. Now you can see it is filled with color. What else I can do? I will go inside the border and shading. Here is also shading option available. You can fill any color which you require. Because I select as you can observe, I have select the full option, fill option, full for full. All is selected now, that's why. Control Z. You can make the size of your columns increase or decrease like this also, and you can delete your table from here. First of all, you need to select the table move handler, right click here, and now you can see delete table. Thank you. I hope you understand well. Bye. Take care. On